guys, Jamie here today from Pinetree line, and we're going to do a review on the fin borer by Mora. Now this is a traditional ice auger with the handle not being used. Instead, we got the Milwaukee cordless drill on it. Now I've fished many years with a gas-powered ice auger. You right now with this one, it replaces all those gas augers. Sharp blades, only by fin bore. They cut great. You can get the extension for it as well. I choose to go with the smaller version without the extension. If you're going to a lake with a lot of ice, you're going to be down 2 feet or more of ice, then you want to put the extension on, and you want a half decent sized drill to push the ice auger. This here is a Clam. And with this kit, it's great because whatever size of drill you do get, you can adjust it to whatever size it is. Whether the handle's a little bigger, a little longer, whatever size it is, you can adjust it. So the nice thing about the actual conversion kit, two-handed, very light, and it's got the trigger right here that connects to your drill. Just like that. The one thing I will tell you though, I've tried a couple different cordless drills, and you have to have something that's powerful enough to turn the auger that'll bite through the ice. This Milwaukee MX Fuel 18 volt is one of the most powerful cordless drills you can get. No problems. I've tried a couple before that and they were complete fails. Actually went cheap and bought one off of Amazon and it didn't even turn it. It got in a couple inches and that was it. So you want to have a really good drill to push it. It's portable, it's light, you don't have gas, you don't have oil to fool around with. And it's quiet, which is really nice because you can drill holes and you won't disturb fishing at all. You're looking at about $600 all in when you buy the drill, the auger, and the bracket for it off of Amazon. Versus a good ice auger, a gas one, it's relatively the same price. So in the $600 investment you have, keep in mind the drill is yours. You can take it off and use it for anything you want afterwards, so that's a nice bonus as well. Full marks on this for sure, and it cuts like really fast. I put a rag on this just because I'm protecting the handle of my drill. The last drill that I had that I was doing a couple holes with, it actually left a mark on the handle right there because of this bracket. So if anything, I would say to the guys at Clam, you guys got to come up with a better bracket for holding the handle of your drill because it actually does damage them. So I put a towel around it just to kind of protect it just a little bit more. So the one thing that's actually really important though with these drills when you're out fishing, especially in cold temperatures, is that you want to keep that battery as warm as possible. Now a lot of guys, what they'll do is they'll keep them inside their jacket to keep them warm, or you keep them in the ice hut. If this battery freezes you, you're out of luck, you don't have anything. So keep that battery warm, keep it close to you. And one thing I do have to stress is, like anything, safety. These blades are so sharp that if you touch them at all, you're going to cut yourself. And you got children around that are fishing with you, or dogs especially, because dogs are curious, they like to smell everything. Keep that cover on it. So when I'm not drilling holes, I always make sure that my cover's on there. I never leave my auger laying around without the cover on it, ever. Okay guys, all in all, I give this setup full marks. It's a great ice auger to use. It's compact, it's light, it's very portable. Keep in mind that you can buy any hand auger and use this extension kit from Amazon. It runs about $115 for this kit, and you can attach it to any hand auger. Just take the handle off and put this right on the ice auger. So all in all guys, it's a great setup. You can see us use this setup a few times. If you check out some of our videos at Pinetree line, you can see the ice auger in action. Get out there guys, have fun with it. Thanks for watching.